My name's Jessica and I'm with my friend Grace. Hello. And we are doing about slime. Okay, these are new slime. So the first slime is...
So the first slime is really gooey and liquidy.
Okay, and it's really goopy and sticky a little bit and wet.
Yes, it's wet.
It's really wet. Yeah. Okay, put it back. And it's Nickelodeon slime. Yeah, I forgot that. Okay, get your
now. Here's the next one. This one makes parting noises.
The video.
Listen.
You farted still.
No, I didn't.
Stop on it. You farted, Grace.
It's this one.
Grace.
Yo, you're wasting space on my phone. What the fuck is that for?